Hey guys, welcome to my channel. This is Abhipsha and today we're gonna create this cute peachy makeup look, and without any further delay, let's get started. So we are gonna start off by this Pond Super Light Gel. This is a very light moisturizer. Then I'm gonna apply this primer from Inside Cosmetics. This is a silicone based primer and I'll apply it the areas where I have open pores. Then I'm gonna take this foundation from Fit Me Maybelline and I'll apply it in the form of dots and then blend it with a damp beauty blender. You need not scratch the blender over your face. That might result in cakey or patchy foundation. So just dab it on your face and your foundation will be blended flawlessly. Then I'm gonna go for the Swiss Beauty Concealer in the shade 02 Sand Sable and apply it on those portions and just blend it with the same blender. Apply the concealer in upward motion. It will give a lifted look to your face. Then I'm gonna take a coral lipstick and apply it as a blush in upward motion for the lifted look, and then I'm gonna contour my face ever so slightly because we just want a cute face, not a chiseled one. So yeah, just blend it with the same beauty blender. Then we're gonna finally set up face with powder. I have applied all the cream products below the powder. Then let us move to the eye makeup. I'll just do my brows with this Blue Heaven Walk Free eyebrow pencil. It's not a pencil but something. Then we'll comb our eyebrows with a spoolie. Then I'm applying the Swiss Beauty Concealer. It will be a base for our eye makeup. Then I'm taking the same coral lipstick that we applied as blush and just apply it on our eyelid. Just be very patient with blending. Build up the color as much as you want. Then I'm gonna take this peachy shade from Blue Heaven Signature palette and just blend out the edges with a fluffy brush. Then on the lower portion also apply the same coral shade. Then to the other eye. Then I'm gonna take this highlighter from Maybelline Master Chrome and apply it on my inner corners and brow bones. Then I'm taking this mascara. This is a lovely mascara, guys, and I'll apply it on my upper and lower lashes. And I guess we are done with the eye makeup. Let us whatever is left on the eyeshadow brush, just apply it on your nose. It will really make your face look cute. Then I'm gonna contour my face with a brown eyeshadow and just smoothen it out because my nose is very huge. So now I'm gonna apply the same highlighter, that Maybelline one, on these areas and just line my lips with that coral lipstick. Then I'm gonna apply this nude shade, peachy nude shade from NY Bay. The link is in the description. So yeah, then I'm gonna set it with a peachy eyeshadow, and this is some silly transition. And this is my final look, guys. I hope you loved it. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye bye.